Jesus. You be major one. You carry power inside of you.
I came by apostolic anointing. I came by the frequency of the power of God.
Jesus.
I came in audacity. I came by the volume of the book. I prophesy to your life. If there is any conclusion in the realm of the...
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one pastor. Now about one pastor, my people. Not those fake pastor everywhere. Like the thing go they shocktalize me sometimes for some kind pastor. For what did they happen these days? Me, I don't understand. A pastor, my people, oh, pastor, go, pastor, we be say, if they preach today, will be like, say, everyone come down. This pastor, my people, he go, I know what this pastor go do. He go carry cookie, a mwe. Well, I know now, he go carry him. Now they can't catch this pastor as they come from a... whether na Russia, I don't forget the place. Now this pastor for go carry something. That's he go carry something. Now they can't catch this man. So the thing can't surprise me. Say our pastor free do this kind of thing. Wait till they can't they preach for us. Wait till they preach for us. Because if they preach today, go be like say God won't come down. Okay, wait till this pastor now they preach for us now. Now me I don't understand. And I never see you give me answer. For a pastor to go do this kind of thing, I be say the life is coming to an end, really. It's really coming to an end. They always talk and say, all those pastors, now that they call God, God not they call them. Now then they call God by themselves. The thing they shocktalize me, pastor. A old pastor do this kind of thing, my people. Hey, not the way Musa no go see for ghetto. Not the way person no go see for this social media, my people. I say this matter shocktalize me. A pastor for that matter. If you do this kind of thing. Waiting me ba one can do. Waiting me ba. I say if this man they preaching, people go to fall. Anointing. Not know you say. Even the anointing are fake. Now something in the evil they use. Now wow, not the way person not go see for this social media, my people. Hey? They really say this life no balance, eh? You no balance oh. For pastor, a old pastor, they do this kind of thing to a member. Wait till you can't use a member. Can't say if member can't do this kind of thing, how you want to advise them? Where be say pastor, they even go they carry something they come. It don't say where in the drama. They say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Even though they do this thing for a long time, like God can't punish them so. If I thought when I said the thing not shocktalize me, I dey lie. It shocked me like seriously. It shocked me, say, pastor, they do this kind of thing. A old pastor. Not the way Musa no go see forget, my people. Not the way person no go see for this social media. Pastor, they go, they carry something, they come. Hey, my people, I say video there, I go put the video more na see. Mona, help me share this video, please. Help me to share this video. Like, the thing shocktalize me. Pastor. A old pastor. And people, if I say the people who did this for not balance, they'll say I dey lie. They're not balance, oh. Because if they balance, pastor not supposed to even do this kind of thing. It don't take away indoor they go. Guy ma pastor, guy ma. Not be one when they catch that time where the jogo do small picking for inside car. So I'm not surprised for them. I make to even go church these days. It will come tire people because of these fake things where they do. Eh? Because of this fake things what they do to go show self, you go call tire people to go because this lie where they lie. God not call them, they'll say God call them. Now they call God though, they'll say now God ain't call them. Lie for their mouth every time. So my people, I go put the video more than see because this matter is shocktalize me like seriously. Bye everybody, please help me to share this video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Different opinion on Chinedu. Chinedu is a bad father. Chinedu is a this father. Chinedu, how can you do that? You're a wicked man. All your opinions are very correct. All your opinions are very correct. But then again, how many of you have ever stopped for a minute to think that maybe Chinedu, who we are all accusing, is going through a worse scenario than what the wife and the children is going through? You never know. Chinedu may be going through even a worse scenario than what the children and the wife is going through. So that is why it is important that we should never judge a story by one side. We should never ever judge a story by one side. We should continue to seek both sides, right? Let's see what's going on. You understand? So we are currently working on the case of Chinedu. By the grace of God, before the middle of next week, we're going to have a good news to see how we can reunite the family. But we need a lot of resources for that, okay? If we are going to mobilize to try to find Chinedu, we understand that he's from Agbo and all that. If we are going to mobilize to try to find him, we need a lot of resources for that. So we're going to be raising about 200,000 naira to do that. We're going to be raising about 200,000 naira to do that. So tomorrow, if possible, when I'm more settled, I'll come back online. If you love what we are doing and you want to support that family, you can reach out to me personally. All right, so that's it for now. I respect you all. God bless you all. Thank you. So yeah, where's Chinedu? We will not unveil that here, Mama Angela. We will not unveil that yet, but we have a very vital information already. As Dr. Cought, private investigator, we have all the information that we need to be able to uncover Chinedu, who is our brother, who is our friend. If Chinedu or anybody that knows Chinedu is watching this video, I want you to know that I am not against Chinedu. I am not against Chinedu, but we all must understand that the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. So Chinedu may have been going through a lot of tribulations. Chinedu may have been in the hospital sick. Chinedu may have so many other issues that have affected him from not seeing his children or even his wife. You know, maybe Chinedu is even ashamed of himself. So many things can happen. So we should not judge so quickly. Let's take up this case one after the other, and I'm assuring everyone that we are going to have a peaceful resolution. One of my biggest dreams in the near future is to become a private investigator. In the near future, one of my biggest dreams is to become a private investigator, okay? So guys, that's the update for now. Kindly support Dr. Cought. I'm about to check out. As you can see, I'm looking so good. Ooh. Hold on, guys. Look at me. Hold on. Let me put it there. Let me model for you guys. Jasmine. Prince, where are my dogs? Jasmine and Albert. Of course, I'm over here with my man, Bende Gary, the man that does Gary for Africa.
Hello, Gossip family.
That's Bende Gary from Bristol. We're in Lagos, yeah? We're in Lagos at the God Sent Mansion. We are at the God Sent Mansion where we'll come and cool off after hard work in Edo State. Okay, no problem. We are going to talk to you guys later. All right. Hi, man. I see you, brother. Hi, man. I see you. I miss you guys. Very soon we're going to be more settled and we can have time to communicate. Because 99% of the time when we are online, we are trying to help people. But we should also be able to communicate. We should have different opinions. We should be able to call in, help people solve problems. Because